we finally have something for you G87 owners that want to remove your license plate from your car. Anyways, guys, welcome to, well, and girls, welcome to R44 Performance. We've got this brand new G87 M2 LCI in the workshop. Quite a cool finish. Skyscraper gray, maybe? Looks like it to me. But anyways, magnetic plates for your car. So obviously, we all have to run license plates. Here in the UK, it's highly illegal to not have a registration plate on your vehicle. So we have some solutions for you. We have magnets. Obviously, we have something for a majority of customers where the bumper is flat. So there's a pack from Twist and Fix which installs to a flat bumper. But the G87 has some horrible shapes on it, which are just an absolute nightmare to deal with. So Twist and Fix from Germany have designed this beautiful bit of engineering, which is a bracket for the registration plate. So this is gonna go on your plate. This is gonna go on the car, and 4 magnets for the back of the bumper. So we're not really gonna show you how to remove a bumper. If you wanna do that, I'm sure there's 100 other videos how to do that. But there's no other videos on this product at this moment in time because we're the only one with it. So yeah, let's get installed inside your box. I'm gonna just show you. Get 2 of these with 4 magnets on the back. You get some weather strips for your registration plate. So these go on the plate itself, and then these go on the back of the bumper. So this weathers the magnet, so it stops them corroding and stuff like that and just seals them in, and you get some alcohol wipes to just prep the surface. So yeah, let's pop this bumper off now and let's put these magnets on the back and run through the full install. All right, so registration plate. Here in the UK, we get these ones. You can have them a bit shorter. So that's the bracket. We put that in position. What we did first was put the plate on. We've seen that it doesn't go all the way over here. So we know where we need to look to place one of these. They've got the logo Twist and Fix on the top and it says left. So you're gonna put that on the left side and you can feel, you check the gaps around, they are shaped perfectly. The next thing I would do is get 2 magnets, feel behind, and they will magnetize to this. So that is now in position. What you can do is measure the distance from here to the center, so you can move them around. Make sure you're happy. That looks quite good. I'd leave that there and move to the opposite side, the back side. And then you want to do some cleaning. So let's have a little look in more detail. So you got alcohol wipe, open that. Lovely. And then, so we've got 2 holding it down. What you're gonna wanna do is you wanna clean that surface and the other surface. Get a magnet. Make sure the direction for the magnet is good, which is perfect. See, you can see the magnets go slightly higher up. So just clean up in there. Release the magnet's adhesive and don't do that. Be very careful. It's not the end of the world. It's just not what you wanted it to happen. So you need to get in there. Ooh, and it will stick. And then stick it down. Repeat that process. So clean the surface, put the magnet in position, stick it down, and then keep going. Once you've done that, you're gonna get these. These are gonna pull off and stick over the magnets. Then use a heat gun, heat them up slightly, and it will change shape. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do all the back of the bumper. Once the back of the bumper is done, we're gonna come to the front of the bumper. All right, cool. So we just added some adhesive tape. So it's not currently included in the box, but I will have a word with Twist and Fix. If yours does come with it, you're lucky. If it doesn't, get some. This is, it's like 3M VHB tape that you can get on Amazon or whatever, but this is on the magnets, So it's as easy as that, and your plate's gonna be similar. The next thing we need to do is get the plate central. This is probably the most important part. If there's any discrepancies on here, it's not the end of the world. What really matters is getting this plate correct. So what we're gonna do, some masking tape. You're gonna put it in the center of your plate. You're gonna measure your plate, which is 35 and 38.5. Dylan, do you know what that half of that is? 19.25. So that's center line, right? You can then, we find, obviously on this is on M2, I'd probably have your plate hanging down a little bit here, so it could run flush with the bottom of the the shroud and then flush with the top of the grill. If you run too high, it takes away the grill, and then you've got this horrible bit of the bumper. So it all depends on where you want it. This is entirely up to you, but I'm going to install this one flush with the bottom here and just kind of flush with the top of the grill, or the grill. So something like that. So we want to get some masking tape again. Now we're going to find the center of this, which is 4, so 2. That's now the center. So you obviously can wiggle, so you probably want to put a center at the bottom, and then you want to adjust it. So just check all your measurements, remove your tape, like so. Obviously this is just for photo and video purposes only. Just push it down. You might want to put a bit of heat on it, pull it off, something like that. So ignore all this, we were going to remove it, but come around here, Dylan, I'll show you the final steps. The last part of this install is protecting your bumper from this mounting bracket. So twist and fix include some of this, so it's a bit of nice felty pieces. What I want to do, it's got a straight edge there, use your flat edge, then use a knife, and then cut it out perfectly square. And that'll be a nice bit of protection on there, so when it sticks on your bumper, just like this, you have no problems. So yeah, easy as that. So what we're gonna do is do it properly now, and we'll finish it and then show you the finished article. Cool, all right, so I look different, the car looks different, and so does the plate. We've now got the twist and fix plate holder installed. We finished up a full body kit. So Dylan's gonna put some nice content after this bit of twist and fix to just show you what you can make your M2 look like. But anyways, look at this, lads. Ha! Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So easy to do. It's a bit finicky, don't get me the install, but once it's done, how beautiful and useful is that? And then just pop it off. So anyways, guys, like, subscribe, hit that bell button, check out the next video, but just sit back, relax, and enjoy this.